Happy Friday everyone, my name's Sam Sloan. I thought I would share another top tip with you from my week of delivering online. This week I was asked to deliver on Teams, and for those that know me know I'm not a particular fan of Teams because of course the limited interactions that are capable, shall we say, on that particular platform. So I thought I'd mix it up a little bit this week and see just how we could utilise the platform to gain interaction from our participants. So this is what I found. If you hit the Windows key on your keyboard and full stop when you're in Teams, for instance, and I'll show you. So Windows key and full stop, it gives you, as if by magic, a little palette of emoticons, for instance. You can see I've already popped a couple there into chat as well. So let's just say I asked you a question and I wanted you to give me a green tick, just to confirm that maybe you had done something or had selected something, for instance. I can select the little green tick from the palette, press send, and of course that then goes into the chat window. Very simple principle. Apparently it's a Windows thing as well, so you can actually use that on things like LinkedIn, etc. if of course you don't have the other emoticons available, which sometimes you don't. In Teams, some people do have the little icons that run along the bottom and they have the little emoticons or maybe even the GIFs, for instance, but not everybody seems to have that functionality. So if they don't, it's a really quite nice to have. The other option, of course, that you can do, apart from hitting that Windows key, is actually getting yourself onto Google, for instance, and get yourself onto Pixabay. They are royalty-free images on Pixabay, and one thing I've noticed that you can do in Teams that you can't do in any other platform is copy and paste an image. Loved it. So let me just give you an example of what it is that I did. So let's just say we were doing an exercise and I wanted some feedback on that exercise or some thoughts or feelings, etc., on whatever it is that's kind of going on for you, or even just that confirmation. Just to mix it up a little bit, I simply copy the image that I wish to copy. I then go back into my Teams, highlight that into chat, Control and V, and then press send. And then of course you can put that image into that chat window as well. Do you know it's great for polling, that type of thing? Also, which actually leads me to my next point as well. And this is something else that I've found that you can also do. Let's just say we are doing a poll and I want to find out how many people kind of agree with A or maybe B or whatever it is. The other thing that I thought, let's mix it up a little bit more, is the snipping tool that's available to you on your computer anyway. So if you just simply open up your snipping tool, there's my snipping tool, and I click new, that then freezes the screen. And let's just say I wanted to say yes to something, for instance. I can simply highlight the item that's actually even on the slide. I don't even have to go off and find that anywhere else. I can simply copy that out of the snipping tool, back into Teams. It wouldn't do this in fairness, because if you were a participant you would automatically have those available to you with the slide on the screen as well. It's only because I'm flicking back and forward from the screens. I've pasted it into chat and press send, and it worked really well for like polling activities, just to mix things up. And you know, I even had a participant, because we were talking about leadership and management styles, the sort of push leadership style and the pull leadership style. Somebody even went off and pasted some information pictorially into chat. It worked brilliantly. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on. Have a great weekend. See you later.